In this video, we will clearly understand the difference between B2B, B2C and D2C supply chains and how logistics changes in each model. Supply chains are designed based on who the customer is. When customers change, order size, delivery patterns and logistics design also change. B2B supply chains move goods from one business to another. Orders are large, locations are fewer, and movements are mostly planned and scheduled. B2B logistics focuses on bulk transport, palletized cargo, contractual carriers, and industrial grade warehousing. B2C supply chains move products from businesses to end consumers, typically through retail stores or e-commerce networks. B2C logistics deals with high order volumes, smaller shipments, faster delivery cycles, and strong last mile operations. In D2C models, brands sell directly to consumers. There are no distributors or retailers. The brand controls the full fulfillment journey. D2C logistics is technology driven, focused on fast fulfillment, efficient returns, and strong customer experience. The key differences are order size, customer spread, delivery speed, and how the supply chain is structured. Each model requires different network design, inventory placement, transportation strategy, and technology depth. Understanding these models is critical for logistics professionals because roles, KPIs, and career paths vary across B2B, B2C, and D2C. The same product can move through very different supply chains. The right design always depends on who the customer is. Subscribe to LEC, Logistics Ecosystem Consultant, to continue building your logistics foundation with simple, structured explanation.